Stop worrying about lost work and start mastering your Pandadoc library. Today, we're diving deep into the crucial skill of saving your documents in Pandadoc, ensuring everything you create is always safe and readily available. Let's get started. The moment you start creating or editing a document in Pandadoc, it's automatically saved in the background. You'll notice the document title at the top if you want to be absolutely sure. Or if you've just made significant changes, you can perform a manual save. Simply look for the Save option on most Pandadoc interfaces. This is often represented by a floppy disk icon or the word Save itself. Clicking this will immediately update the document with your latest edits. Once saved, your document resides in your Pandadoc library. This is your central hub for all your created documents. You can access it by navigating to your Documents tab or by clicking on the main dashboard link that says Documents. To access a saved document for future reference or action, just locate it in your library. You can use the search bar if you have many documents, or scroll through your organized list. Clicking on the document name will open it up in edit mode. Effective organization is key to easily finding your documents later. Pandadoc allows you to create folders to categorize your work, or to use tags for quick filtering. Explore these options to keep your library tidy and efficient. By consistently using the Save function and organizing your document library, you ensure all your Pandadoc creations are secure, accessible, and ready for whatever comes next. Happy documenting!